Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm kicking off the week with a new video, and I went into Walmart the other night with my mom and we were just looking around for a few things. I wanted to go look for some flannel shirts, and I was so impressed with all of the stuff that they had out for clothing and shoes, accessories. I even found this hat here. So I took a couple of clips in store just showing you guys all the new stuff that they have out. I don't know about you, but my Walmart just rearranged their whole setup. So everything is in a different location and it kind of feels like we got a whole new Walmart, and I really like the way that it flows now that I'm kind of used to it. I honestly don't go to Walmart that often, so it's kind of nice to go in there every once in a while and see what kinds of good deals they have. And the thing that sparked this whole Walmart interest of clothing and stuff came from one of my blogger friends, Lacey McGee. I will have her Instagram linked down below in the description box if you guys want to go check her out. She does all kinds of affordable fashion looks and I just love her style. So I know you guys will too. So definitely go check her out and give her a follow. But yeah, let's go ahead and see these clips of us shopping in store. You guys can kind of get a feel for the different things that they have out for the season. And then afterwards, I'm going to show you a haul of a couple of the pieces of clothing and accessories that I found from Walmart this year and how I style them. It seems like you guys ask for this type of video a lot, so I figured I would go ahead and make it for you. So if you like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know that you guys are into this content as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you guys here. All right, let's go ahead and get to shopping.
Once felt I'm done with the defense, drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders, I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. Riding on the dizzying highs. Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. Standing on the dizzying highs. Everything's so much better. Riding high on your
it was so much fun going shopping and seeing what Walmart had. So now let's go ahead and get into the styling portion of today's video, and I'll go through a little mini haul of the things that I picked up. So I'll show how I style all of these pieces and give you guys an idea of what I'm looking for whenever I'm shopping for fall clothes. So anyways, I've got on one of the flannels that I picked up from Walmart. This one was in the women's section. It's the Time and True brand, and it's got a couple different colors in it. It kind of has this plum purple color, a mustard yellow, black, a gray color, and then also a cream. So I just have it paired with some high-waisted jeans. These are not from Walmart, they're from Target, so I can link them for you guys. But this flannel was one of my favorites. I just have the sleeves cuffed up once, and then I've got all of my bracelets that you guys know I wear all the time. Most of them are from Paparazzi Jewelry. I'll leave the Facebook page if you guys want to check them out. All my jewelry is from there, so if you guys want to shop it, you can just message Sarah and ask her if she has any of the pieces in stock. But yeah, so the flannel's from there. It's really soft. It's definitely a good weight, and I've seen a lot of people bleaching these, so maybe I'll do that in another video. Let me know if you guys want to see a DIY of bleaching some of these flannel shirts. But I don't know if you guys can tell, it does come down longer in the back, which I really like. And then I have the two front pieces just tied up in knots. That's probably how I would wear it, or I would just let them hang down. I'll show you what it looks like just down. So either way, I feel like is really cute. And then I just have a t-shirt tucked into my jeans. This one is from a fall market a couple of years ago, so I'm not able to link it, but I love the colors together. And then let's talk about the hat. So I'm obsessed with this felt hat. I couldn't believe it whenever I seen a couple of them on the shelves. They had lots of different styles. This one is kind of a wool feel, and then the other ones were more of a suede feel. So they've got a couple different types of fedora hats. This one has a smaller brim. It's not as wide, which I really like. And one of my favorite features about it is that it has an adjustable strap inside, so that's really good as well. That way you can fit it to the size of your head and it's not gonna go flying off in the parking lot or anything like that. So I really do love this hat. I like this gray color. I feel like it's really nice. So I'll give you guys an up close look of the hat. It's also by Time and True, and it was $10.97. And then the shirt here was $13.97. So really affordable, but the design on the brim, it's kind of has this suede band around it that's a little bit braided looking, and I just love it. So there is the hat. And then here's the inside. So you can take this part out and adjust it to the size of your head, tie it in a knot, and you're good to go. So I just wear it like this. I kind of tilt it back a little bit. That way it's not like blocking your face or anything. Let's see. So that is outfit number one. Very simple. Okay, I'm gonna move you guys back a little bit. I also have on some gray booties. I'll try to get a close-up of them, but that is the outfit. All right, outfit number two is this cozy, kind of a yellow tan colored sweatshirt. It comes down lower in the back. Again, it is the Time and True brand. These are $11 and they come in tons of different colors. You've probably seen them in the clips. I love these sweatshirts. So super cozy. They are already oversized, so I would go maybe a size lower than normal, or just get your regular size if you want it to be really oversized. So I typically get a medium in things because I like them to fit larger, but this one I got a small in, and it's super cozy. I think it's kind of an airy dupe. This is actually one that Lacey recommended and I love it. So I just have it styled with those same jeans, and then I have on some kind of yellow colored booties with them. And that's the outfit. But I thought to dress it up a little bit. I added that same fedora hat in this camel color. It's kind of like just a light brown, but I love it. This is great for going to the pumpkin patch, casual days, dressed up days, I mean really anything. So I love this look, and it's so affordable. The hat's only $10, the shirt's $11, and boom, you've got your whole outfit. So I just really love it. Next outfit, I have that exact same sweatshirt, but in a white color. It's kind of more of an ivory-ish off-white, but you can see it is longer in the back. I just have it paired with some leggings. These aren't from Walmart, they're actually the Spanx faux leather leggings, and I have on just some Adidas shoes with it, but it's just very comfy, very casual. You could tuck it in or just have it down, whatever you want, but it's really cozy. And then I also wanted to show you guys some scrunchies that would look really cute with an outfit like this. All right, so I showed a couple packs of these scrunchies, but they are $8.88, and you get all of these scrunchies. So there's some suede ones, some velvet, satin. I just feel like it's a good variety of fall colors. I love that mauve color, and of course those rust ones, the mustard yellow. So these are great for just throwing your hair up or doing that half and half bun look. So I'm gonna show you guys how I fix my hair like that with these scrunchies now. Okay, so I usually just take my scrunchie and then I'm gonna look in the mirror right over here. So just bear with me, but what I like to do is take just this top section of hair and I will get rid of my part over here, just that way it's all even. And I'll just grab this chunk of hair, as you can see, and then I either do a bun or I just leave it out. So I'll show you guys what I do for a bun. I pull it through once, loop it, grab that extra hair, wrap it around, and then loop it back over one more time. And then you've just got a cute little pop knot. You can make it bigger if you want. Usually I have it way up. You can pull some hair out, and then there you go. Just a simple little top knot that way the hair is out of your face too. So it's great for moms on the go, but that's how I do the top knot. It's literally nothing special, but I do like using the scrunchies because you can see just a little bit of the scrunchie coming out. And then if you have any crazy hairs, you can just tuck them in. So there you go. All right, the last outfit is another casual one. I fell in love with this rust brown just zip up jacket. It's also by the Time and True brand, but I wanted to mention that they also have plain hats. This is just a white one by the Faded Glory brand, but they're only $2.88. So I am always in hats, you guys know. So if you guys want to get a hat, but you're not sure how to wear it or anything, I recommend just getting some at Walmart and giving it a try. So they have a lot that are also like distressed, like the ones that I wear. So just stay on the lookout for those. But this jacket is buttery soft on the inside, and I just love the color. And I want to say it was, let me look, I believe it was like $11, so it was a really good deal. I'll see if I can link all of these pieces down below, but I really love this one. I did get it oversized just because I like my jackets to fit a little bit longer in the back if I'm wearing leggings. So I went with a large on this one, and it's really cozy. So love this. Hopefully you guys are able to see the color well enough on camera. So yeah, outfit number 3, and I just left the same leggings and shoes on. So great running around mom out. All right guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all that Walmart has to offer as far as fall clothes go for women, and I hope you guys like seeing how they were styled as well. Like I said, this was a requested video from you guys, so I wanted to make it for you. However, I am still planning on doing like a full fall capsule wardrobe, showing you guys how I'm styling my outfits for fall and some new pieces that I picked up and different ways to style the same clothing items. So stay tuned for that video. It's coming up really soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.